Let's get ready to rumble!
Good morning. This is the New York stream, taken as part of our Road to Funded series. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Go ahead and turn on that little bell because we are live every day, 7:30 a.m. Eastern. That's 12:30 p.m. West African time. That being said, let's get right into the charts. All right. Happy Easter, everybody. Hope everybody had a good weekend. A great Good Friday, and an equally as good Easter Monday today. Okay, so let's get straight into the charts. I do believe we will have volume here, and we've had volume already a little bit earlier in the session. Gold had a little bit more volume last night, so Asian session, right? So we had a little bit more volume during Asian session on gold, which is always a good sign, right? So yeah, we'll see. Hopefully we can get something today, because we are just a little bit away from 5%. I believe we've reached the time window where we get offered the option to, you know, extend the challenge for another 14 days, but I need to get to the 5% first, right? So that's what that's our current aim. I mean, of course our current aim is the full 10%, but hey, if we can at least get to the 5%, have 14 extra days without, you know, losing our current progress, then that would be a plus as well. So yeah, let's see what we can do today. Cool. Let's get into GJ real quick. Okay, so GJ, so monthly candle has closed here, right? Oh, also happy new month, guys. Happy new month. So monthly candle closed there, and it looks like our speculation was correct, right? We ended up closing within this range, right? So now we've closed inside this range. If we look left real quick, when price has tapped into this range above and closed within the range, we've driven up, right? We've driven up for most of the month, tested a little bit higher, and then come back into the range, right? So that's just or let's see what has price done every time we've closed inside this range. So here we came up from below, right? Closed inside this range, we came up, created this top wick, and then came back down, right? You have this candle as well, came from below, closed, we retested this level, and then we pushed up, right? Let's see what else. We have this candle closed inside the range as well. We came down all the way down here, created this very steep bottom wick, and then continued to drive up, right? So I mean, every time we've closed inside this range, we've driven up. It's just a matter of, okay, no, so here's the only exception. Right? Here we close inside the range, but you also have to consider that this closed no top wick, right? So this closed inside the range, but no top wick, came up, tapped this level, and then went back down, right? So that being said, what I'm gonna be looking for here is a drive up, right? A drive up on price here for the month, but where we're gonna get that bottom wick, I'm not too sure yet. It's gonna be based on maybe the lower time frames, right? Maybe the daily or the 4 hour, right? In terms of where I'm looking to create that bottom wick before driving up, right? So what I'm trying to see here for the month is maybe a pull down, create this bottom wick, maybe tap into this level and reject, maybe tap even lower before we reject, right? But I'm looking for a pull down, right? And then a push up, right? A push up beyond this level as well, right? So a push up, but I am going to be wary of this level we have here at 192.3, right? Because we could always come into this level, tap this level, and then reject, right? Especially if we come up first without making the bottom wick first, right? Because we have rejected off of this level in the past. It's not the same case, because in this scenario we closed no top wick, and we most likely created this top wick first, right? And then rejected. That's not the scenario here, right? But it is still a level you want to be, you know, careful of, right? Because it is a level that we've rejected of heavily off of in the past, right? Because you have this rejection, and then you even came back, even after driving down, you came all the way back here just to tap it and then drive down, right? So you wanna pay attention to that level as well. But for now, I mean, for the monthly right now, this is bullish, right? We are looking to take buys over the course of the month, but let's see how the lower time frames play out. The weekly is pretty much saying the same thing. Right? We closed bullish inside this range. Now we have two bullish closures inside this range, right? So now can we come down and maybe take these lows and then continue to drive up? We will see. We shall see. Let me see. So close here, close. Okay. Yeah, so we'll see if we can come down here, maybe take out these lows first, right? Maybe take out these lows for the weekly and then start to drive up. But that's more speculation as of now. We don't really know where we want to create that bottom wick at. So we'll go with what price prints. We'll go as price prints. Okay, so the daily. So the daily closed, I mean, bullish, but inside this range, right? So we're sort of just playing inside this range right now. So not much is happening in terms of direction, right? So we could break down below, or we could break up above. So however we close today, however we close on this Monday, it'll probably give us some direction for, yeah, I do think however we close today is gonna give us direction for the rest of the week. At least the general direction, I would say. So if we end up closing above this range, I do believe we'll see some buys for the rest of the week, right? And if we do close below the range, yeah, if we do close below this range, I don't think the sells will go for the whole week, but I think we'll be in for at least one bearish day, right? Maybe create a bottom wick, maybe take out these lows, something around here, grab liquidity around here before we start, you know, maybe coming back up or creating some higher highs, higher lows, right? But for now, we are just in this range, to be honest. At least that's how I'm seeing it. We are just within that range. Let me see. Yeah, so we have played inside this range in the past, right? Well, I mean, not as much as right now, but yeah, we usually just, I don't want to say we just go clean through the range, but yeah, we mainly have just some long candles pushing through the ranges, right? But if you're looking at this, I guess this would be the only time you really just stayed inside the range or bounced around the range, right? So you sort of have so close below the range, test the top high of the range, the bottom, then the high, then drove up, right? So yeah, we might see maybe a tap into, yeah, maybe a tap below these ranges. So 190.2 area, right? Maybe we tap into 190.2 and then we start pushing up, but we'll see. We will see. But I am still bullish. Daily 4, yo. Cool. So let's see the 4. So the 4, we're just ranging, right? Just a big range on the 4. I'm just gonna take that out because I don't even want to be involved with anything in this range, to be honest. Yeah, I'd prefer not to be involved with that range. Yeah, let's see. So 4, see the hourly as well. Yeah, the hourly. So I'm looking for buys, right? Looking for buys. You could play that range, but I don't really want to be, I don't really want to be involved with anything inside this range, to be honest with you. Yeah, I'm not a fan of that range. For sales, for sure, down here. That's a no-brainer. Let me see, buys wise, in terms of buys, I'll have it here for now, but that is liable to change. It most likely will change. I'd say the safest buys would be above 191.6 here, but that's this level right here, huh? Okay. So yeah, let's see how we form around these areas. I don't want to be involved in this whole range right here, but we'll see how price forms though. Yeah, I don't really want to, because we could close below 190.8 here, and then we have some sells going down towards 190.5. You know, you could play that range, but I would require a steep top wick to start taking the sells going down, to confirm that we're you know that we're gonna take those sells towards the bottom of the range. Yeah. Yeah, but in terms of buys though, I mean the levels aren't the best. They are still a little staticky. You know, they do still have a little bit of static to them, but yeah, I'm gonna just go with this for now. Yeah, you have this level to worry about here. That's lower time frame. Have this level, yeah. Yeah, we'll see what happens here. It's a little, I'm not too much of a fan of this whole range, to be honest. Like straight from 191.65 right to 190.5. I'm not a fan of anything inside that range. Let me see, what does that look like 4 hour? Yeah, I'm not a fan of yeah, I'm not really a fan of anything inside this range, but we'll see if it's something we can play off of as we form more candles here. 30-minute, let me see. Let's put that up there. All right, yeah. Hourly 30. Yeah, let's see how we form here. See how we form. But for now, this is what we got. This is what we got for now. Okay, so let's move on to gold. Yeah, man. I mean, even if I was on the charts, I wouldn't have been able to take gold. Right? Because we opened and we just pushed up. We didn't really do much. We didn't really mess around much. We just opened up, pushed up. I mean, you could play the bottom wick, but what's to say we're actually gonna get a bottom wick, right? What if we don't? What if we just push up for the whole entire month? What if we never create a bottom wick? I mean, like, speak of the devil, right? So right here, no bottom wick. We just kept on pushing up for the month, right? I mean, more likely than not. Oh, my fault. More likely than not, we're gonna create a bottom wick here. I would say just because of the fact that we're at all-time highs, we probably will create a bottom wick, but yeah, but that would just be speculation on my part, right? I don't really know, right? There's nothing for me to confirm that with, so you could just continue driving up here, to be honest, right? So we'll see. I mean, monthly bullish, weekly bullish, easy, right? Daily bullish, everything bullish, really. You just need levels, right? You just need some levels to start printing here. Daily, I mean, if the daily flips, yeah, we'll see. I don't really have levels up here, so okay. I'll have a level here for the 4. Yeah, I'll put a 4-hour level on the flip of the daily, right? I'll put that here as well, but it's not really a level, is it? Okay, 4. Okay, hourly, trying to form some levels here as well. Let me see, where is this 30? Let me see what the 30 is looking like. Okay, so we could get, not really there. Yeah, I'd say here. Could get some buys on the 30. Actually, let me see, what's the 15 saying? We have more levels on the 15. Sort of. 5. I'm not a fan of the 5. Let's see this 15. Okay, so we're currently below this level. Okay, so we could see buys above there. Let's see, 30. Yeah, so we could see some buys above there. In terms of sells, yes, it gets a little iffy here. I don't have much to go off of, right? Not much to go off of, but yeah. Four came down. Look, I mean, look, the formation of this candle is so suspicious, right? This 4 hour, right? We had this, you know, we rejected here, closed bearish. Then we just created a little bit of a top wick, dropped all the way down, took out these lows, created a bottom wick for this. I mean, if we end up coming back all the way down here to flip on the daily, and we somehow flip on the same 4, I highly doubt it. I highly doubt that could happen. But if we ended up doing that, I just close my eyes and click buy, to be honest. I just close my eyes and click buys. Yeah, so we're coming down here, but I don't really have much to work with. At least not in terms of what I'm looking for. Don't really have much to work with. I guess this would be the 5-minute level here. You could close below, maybe sell off of that, maybe. Yeah, let's see. We'll see. We'll scope out the closers, you know. We'll see what the closers are saying. We'll see what the closers are saying. 30-minute. Yeah, I guess they push up from here, so at 2237. What is that level? 2237. That's above, right? Okay. Yeah, so I mean, we're coming down here on gold, but yeah, I don't really have the levels to play off of. Even if we close below here on the 5-minute, to be honest, yeah, I'm not willing to take that sell. Hourly flipped. Yeah, you've had this back-to-back closures on the hourly bearish. Yeah, let's see how we close on this hourly though. Let's see how we close. Yeah, but those are our levels for today. Let's see if we can get something going here. Yeah, I don't have too much faith in gold right now and in GJ right now, at least for the Monday. But we'll see. It could prove me wrong. So news-wise, we have 9:30 news. Or, sorry, 9:45 news. We have 9:45 news, S&P, global manufacturing. And we got 10 o'clock. So 9:45, 10 o'clock. So that window, I mean, I'll probably be here for... I mean, let's see. Let's say 9:30 for now. And we'll see what happens from there. Yeah, let's say I'll be here till 9:30 and we'll see what happens. We might just get a position at 8, you know, and be done. Cool. Okay, so over the weekend I got a a position sizer. You know, shout out Mike. I got a position sizer. Because I noticed a lot of the trades I was taking, I wasn't risking, like a lot of the trades I was taking on GJ, I wasn't risking the full amount of risk. Hold up, what just happened? Whoa. Okay. Yeah, so a lot of the GJ trades I was taking, I wasn't putting the maximum amount of risk as I wanted to. Just because, you know, because when I'm doing the conversion, the estimation, it's in dollars, right? But that's not the base currency, right? So a lot of times the lot size I put in is not as much as it needs to be. For gold, it is, right? Because the base currency is actually dollar, but yeah. So now I got a position sizer, so we'll be able to capitalize a lot more on our wins. And yes, that does mean our losses will, you know, well, our losses will be what they need to be, right? So that's what our losses will, because I'm risking based off of a known amount, right? So this is what I was willing to risk anyways. So it's really only a plus. Yeah, there's really only a plus from it. Okay, so what I want to do here, I want to add a monthly record. Yeah, I want to add a monthly record. Let me see. Stream record. There you go. Okay. Question is, let me move everything up, huh? Yeah, let me just move. Let's move that up. Right, and then record, move the record up as well. And then I'd say boom, text. Where's text? There you go. Oof. Damn, dog. I just. So give me that. Give me that Times New Roman. Give me that Times New Roman. Background color. Now give me that outline, bruh. Give me that outline color. There you go. Oh, my fault, chat. Okay, so. Okay, so. What is it? The monthly. Do I have this all caps or no? Yeah, all caps. Monthly. April record. Y pro recorte. Same thing. So wins. Actually, this should go down, innit? Yeah, so let me current profit. I'm gonna move this one down. That down a little bit. Green record. That could go a little bit lower. Green record, and there you go. Record. Shit, what's up with this one? All right. What we saying? Y'all messing with that format? So stream records, April record. Let me see. Capacity on it. Size 18. I think that looks good. Yeah, that's decent. Yeah, that's decent. Yeah. So current profit. Is this still on screen though? I hope that still shows on screen. Yeah, it does. Cool. Cool. Okay, so before we continue our editing masterclass, let's see. The hourly just closed. So nothing much has happened quite yet. All right, nothing much happened quite yet. Let's see gold. So the gold hourly closed bearish again. I mean, I won't be surprised if we just continue dropping down here on gold. To be fair, to be completely honest, I wouldn't be surprised if we just kept on dropping on gold, at least for the day. Because we've had we've had a bunch of bearish closures, but yeah, let's 15-minute, technically 15-minute close below most recent, right? Which would be this. So Yeah, I'm not too sure on how to get into this. It's possible that you can get involved there, but yeah, I'm just gonna use this one as a learning opportunity. I think I'll stay out of it for now. I'm not too sure how I would get into this, or if I can get into this, because I do understand like 15, we are breaking this is technically a level, right? Support formed on the 15, we broke below. So we're looking towards our lower time frames to determine our levels. Would this be a range 2, you know, closure? Maybe. I mean, we did, yeah, we closed below here and then we're at that top. Yeah, so we could just drive down here for sure. We really could, but especially if, yeah, if this 5 closes below as well, you never know, right? You could just 5 close below, create a top wick. You could see at least this level get tapped, right? Which is still a good vantage point. Yeah, that's still a good vantage point. See, that's the 4-hour dropping still, hourly dropping still. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm gonna stay out of it though. I'm gonna stay out of it for now. Let me see how this 15-minute closes though. See how this 15 closes and opens. GJ on the other hand hasn't done anything yet. Still ranging. Yeah. So yeah, I think let's see. If I write something. Oh, okay. Yeah, we chilling. This can actually come up. What are the chances that take more than 1? Yeah, so yeah, let's have that like that. Nice. So let's see if we can get a trade here today, or are the markets gonna pull a April Fool on us? Are we gonna get fooled this fine April 1st? Let us see. Hopefully not. And I traded Monday as well. Not Monday. I traded Friday as well. Not much happened Friday, but it was to be expected though. It was to be expected. Most of everything else, you know, was closed on Friday. I'm pretty sure the stock markets were closed, right? Pretty sure. Think. But today everything in the US is open. I don't think they celebrate or recognize Easter Monday. Bunch of pagans. Yeah, so I mean, your best bet to get a trade on GJ here might be to play the ranges, but yeah, I'm not too keen on that. I wouldn't be too keen on it. Yeah, so we are driving down here on gold. I mean, if someone said they took sales right here, I mean, off this candle, maybe I'd be like, yeah, it's a little weird, maybe wait for a top wick. But if you're looking at the 15, then hey, this, you could just see this pull to 2242 like I said, right? But yeah, I don't have an entry. I got no entries, man. Because in the past, I mean, in the past, this is a trade that I probably take, right? I'd probably just sell, like just for the sake of just looking at how prices, just how based off of how price is looking, I would sell. But that's not enough anymore, right? It's not enough to just say, okay, price looks very bearish right now. And we're sort of in a range, so we're not at a level, we're in a range, right? So if you're saying, let me see, so the 5, right? So if you're saying this, right, if you're saying this is a range, right? Especially, I mean, if you're looking just at the 5-minute, this would be your level here, or maybe around here, right? So if you're looking at just the 5-minute, probably as soon as this candle closed below, I would sell, right? This is like way back when I wasn't too worried about what, you know, no top wick means or all of this. So way back when, as soon as we closed bearish like this, I'd probably just sell, or I'd sell, and then right here I'd go TP or BE or break even, right? I just have this as full TPs or go break even, and then, or partial TPs rather, and then go break even, and then full TPs down here, which in this case would have worked out. But I mean, it's not really based on anything. What word would I use? It's not based on anything, not fundamental, but anything concrete, right? The foundation of the analysis is not, it's not strong, it's not sturdy, right? It could be pulled apart very easily. So that's what I try to avoid these days, and it's worked out for us so far, right? So yeah, April, can we get a, I'm foreseeing a 30-0 record for April. That's what I'm foreseeing. 30-0, 30 wins, 0 losses, back to back to back. No BEs either, just win W's. Another one. Oh, we got a W, another one. Come on, what are we talking about? Yeah, if we break these lows, we might see a push down or a push up. Yeah, it's really tempting, man, because this range is just asking to get filled. Pause. Chill out. Yeah, this range is just, it's really asking to get filled, man. Yeah, if you had this over here, this 15, that's clean traffic, no? Yeah. My fault. Y'all just heard me gulp a bunch of coffee. My fault. My fault, slime. Yeah, I'm gonna work on getting some more videos out to y'all. some more shorts. I'll look to take some shorts that are, or make some shorts that are not, you know, outside of the wins, right? Because right now, I mean, the only reason I haven't posted a short for the losses is because we haven't taken very many losses since I started making the shorts. We haven't taken any on stream, to be honest. Since I started making the shorts, we haven't taken any L's on stream. I took like 2 off stream, but I wasn't recording, right? So that's my bad, I guess. Yeah, I probably just like the ones, even the trades I take off stream, I'll record them, and then at the very least, I'll put the voice over the video, right? I'll just talk over the clip. Yo, this coffee making me sleepy. Yeah, pretty soon I'm gonna start looking into futures, because the way things are going with prop firms and the regulations and all of that. Yeah, I was talking to a friend of mine the other day, and the way things are going, MetaTrader might not be here long. Or not, yeah, MetaTrader might be out of here in the foreseeable future. Okay, so 15 minutes about to close. Okay, yeah, I'm not looking at much, to be honest. Not looking at much. LeBron got 40 in Brooklyn. Yo, LeBron is like, say what you want about the dude, man, but hey, he took the talents God gave him and he ran with it. That's peak. Look at the footwork. Yeah, that's peak. What would I say? What would you call that? Peak utility, right? Peak utility of resource. You know, man took what he had, he ran with it. Absolutely ran with it. That's tough. Okay, so we had the 15 close, right? You know what? I'll tell you this. I'll tell you exactly what I'm thinking now. Yeah. Just so we, you know, we got some hypothetical skin in the game. I'll tell you what. I mean, the hourly broke out above. Straight down. Yeah, okay, I'll tell you what. This 15 that just opened, right? If we come up if we come up on this 15, yeah, if we push up like this on this 15 with a good bit of volume, if we tap into this level here, 220, 2254, if we tap into that level and flip on this same 15, I'll take the sells on the flip. Easy. Definitely easy, no brainer. I take that. I take the flip. I take the sell on the flip. We got a good 26 pip range going down here to this level, and we'll probably break clean. I mean, we'll probably break clean through that level towards, you know, 2237 here, 2238. Right? So yeah, if that happens here, you already know what I'm gonna be doing. Because then that's a flip of the hourly. We're coming up to take out these two previous candles, right? Tap into this level that we broke below. Why do I have this level here? Is this something? This is the 15. Okay, yeah. Yeah. So if we came all the way up here, tapped into 2254, flipped on the 15, I'd be in there. I would be in there. That would be, oh yeah, that 30 would be sick looking. That would be a sick looking 30 as well. That would be a crazy wick, right? Very nice top wick on the 30, right? And then flipping bearish again, breaking its own low. Yeah, right there I'd be in for sales, but highly doubt that happens here. Highly doubt that happens here. Would be nice though. Would be nice. It must be nice. It would be nice. Yo, let's get the Instagram up a little bit, guys. Come on. Let's get the Instagram going a little bit. Like and subscribe. Content wise, it's just gonna be the same thing I post on shorts. I just post reels, you know, of the shorts. But the stories though, I'm gonna get active on the stories, post some memes, you feel me? Get a little joke, get some jokes out, some trades, some trader humor, you know. Yo, LeBron hilarious, man. He be lip syncing to songs you don't even know, right? Yo, LeBron hilarious, bro. Yo, LeBron hilarious. Yeah, the NBA right now is peak entertainment. I'm just out of the loop, bro. Luka just doing things every night. He just doing crazy shit every night. He lobbing off the scoreboard or the video board. He hitting full courts. I mean, Steph Curry been doing this, but Campeones, campeones. Ooh, sick, 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 sick. There goes the flip. There goes the flip on gold. I'm surprised we didn't just drive off of that. If we reject off of that, there you go. There you go. Whoa. Okay then. Yeah, you seen a lot of volume coming in here. Oh, 820. Okay, comics open, right? Gotcha. So we got a little bit of volume from Comex open. Not much happened still, but do have volume. Volume is always good. No volume is bad volume. I mean that in two ways. Think about it. No volume is bad volume. We already been here for an hour. That's crazy. That's crazy. Yo, this soundtrack is got me feeling all type of different. Okay. Okay, so let me see something on GJ. So the daily came up, created a top wick, broke those highs, tapped into the level here at 191.4. You also have this rejection area here. Okay, so okay, that brings into light. That brings a new challenger has appeared. A new potential entry has appeared. Interesting. Let me see here. Let me see. Okay. Yeah, okay. So, okay. Hourly there. Yeah, so I just looked at this daily. Real quick. And now we've created this top wick, right? We've created this top wick and tapped into the level here. Top of the range. We technically have well, it's not really a minor level, but I would consider this just an extension. So I would just consider this whole thing here a level, right? This whole thing here a range or yeah, a level, right? A rejection area, right? I'd say this is a rejection area. So we've tapped into that rejection area, took out the highs of the previous two daily candles. Now we're flipping. If we break these lows, what are the chances, or what's the probability we don't drive, right, to at least tap this level before coming back up, if we're gonna come back up, right? So 190.5, 90.5. Yeah. Okay, so that's interesting. That's interesting. Yeah, so let's see how we form here. I might be interested in the sells here below 190.7 ish, 75. Yeah, below 190.75 I might be interested in the, especially if we tap. I mean, we already did, right? We already tapped into the level. Oh, no, never mind. Hold up. So close there. I mean, yeah, we tapped beyond that level on the daily. So okay, yeah, let's see how we form here. 30 minutes about to close. Most likely we're not getting anything off of that 30-minute close. Yeah, I don't see anything we can get off the 30-minute close, but if we somehow push down here this last few seconds, or last few minutes, this last minute of the 30, if we close below this support, come back up, break these highs, I don't think so. Yeah, now let's see how we form though. I am interested now in some sales below 190.75 though. I am interested in those sales now. See gold. Okay, so gold did a little 360 or a little 180 in it. Let's see, a little 180 on gold. Let's see, this is just gonna retest. Now this becomes interesting as well, because now you have range formed there. So let's see some. If we close respecting this level, we come up, create a top wick, especially if we don't create a bottom wick for this 30. We come up, create a top wick. I mean, it'll depend on how much of a top wick, to be honest, but maybe take out these highs, then flip, maybe wait for a 15-minute bearish closer. Okay, we're about to close. Okay, we've closed. Okay, we closed above, right? We closed above this support. So now we could just come test here and then continue to push up. All right. So it's, I mean, this is a fake out, no? Should it close below this? Is this a confirmed level though? Okay, yeah, it is a confirmed level on the 15. So we close below and close back above. So it is a confirmed level on the 15. Let me see another 15. If you were gonna come up here and then interesting. Let me see something here. This level. Got a lot of levels here though. 3 to 5. Yeah, interesting closure on gold though. Technically this is resistance here, right? Technically that is resistance. So you're still respecting this resistance here, but you could drive off this support down here. Oh yeah, this is interesting. Let's see how this 15-minute closes. We might have entries here, guys. We might have entries. Because if this 15 flips bearish, if we flip bearish on this 15, we manage to close bearish without driving, I would be interested in the, I mean, the steeper this top wick goes, the better it'll be, right? Like if we tap into here and then flip and close bearish on the 15, even better, right? Even better. But let's see. Yeah, 15 bearish closure could be nice here. Could be nice. In terms of the buys, I was looking at maybe early buys here, but no, I wouldn't take the buys just yet. I'd wait for the hourly to close, which would also be the 4 hour, right? Because with the way this candle is looking here, yeah, I'm not too confident with the buys right now. I am looking for buys overall, but I'm not too confident with taking the buys right now, especially with that 4 hours still open. Yeah, but let's see what this 15 does here. Let's see what this 15 does. Let's see what this 15 does. See what the 15 does. Yeah, so I'll be back. We're just waiting on the 15-minute to close here, so I will be right back. Okay, so we've had our 15-minute close here. Close bullish as well. We've had our 15-minute close bullish. Okay, interesting. 15-minute, 30. Interesting. Yeah, so like I believe I was saying before, if we close above here, right? If we close above, no. So yeah, I want to see how this 4 hour closes. Yeah, I want to see how this 4 hour is gonna close. Yeah, the 4 hour and the hourly. I want to see how they close. Most likely we close bullish, but above where? Let's see if we can close back into these good graces here, right? If we can close back into, you know, above 22.54, right? If we can close back above there without driving too far up, we should have some entries. We could rather, I mean, I say should, but we could have some entries. Yeah, let's see Wagwan. How did GJ close? Yeah, GJ not doing much. Yeah, GJ not doing much either. GJ not doing much either. 4 hour. Yeah, bearish closure below here would be nice for GJ. Right, if we can close below this 190 point, what is it? 0.75. If we can close below this 190.75, yeah, that would be nice. That would be nice to keep going down, to take some sales to the downside for sure. Let's see what we can get here. But I will be back again, because we're not really doing much per se. So I will be back once again, waiting for the 15-minute close. I mean, I guess that's the hourly close, right? I mean, 4 hour close, to be honest. Yeah, so let's see how we close here on 4, which we are about to in about 10 minutes here. Yeah, see what happens here. We could get some positions though. We could have some positions pretty soon here. I'll be back. Okay, so we got closures in about well, right now anyways. Okay, so how did we close here? So on the hourly we closed, I mean, respecting, right? We sort of respected this resistance. We respected the resistance here. I mean, you could argue we barely closed above. Yeah, so barely closed above. Barely closed above there. 4 hour closed. Okay. So we never flipped on the 4. Okay, let's see. Rejection areas. Let's see rejection. Possible potential rejection areas would be right here, right? Okay. Yeah, let me see GJ real quick, actually. Okay, so GJ, nothing much on GJ. Let's see. So we're flipping here. We're flipping. Are we gonna flip and drive is the question. We're gonna flip. And so what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna wait for the 15-minute to close, most likely. I'm gonna wait for the 15-minute to close. Yeah, we tapped into that level now. So we tapped into 2254. Let's see if we reject off that level. Yeah, let's see if we can react off 2254 here. Reject, close bearish below 2250. Yeah, we closed below 2250 here. I'll look to take the sales going down. Yeah, because I mean, there's not much of, like, in terms of levels. Like, I mean, we came up here on the 4, but I don't really know, are we above? Did we sort of reject to come above a level? I'm not too sure. And that daily still has no bottom wick, right? Yeah, we're coming up heavy here. Can I? Yeah, no. The best entry here would be a wick entry, right? A wick entry would be the best, would give you the best vantage point here. a wick entry would give you the best vantage point here, but let me go down to the 5 real quick. Let me see. We struggled around here. What is that on the 30 to 15? Yeah, this is interesting for sure. Yeah, you're seeing some volume come in here with 9 o'clock open. Okay, let me see. 15, 5. Okay, I'll tell you what. Let me see. So we're flipping here. All right, that'll give us a bottom wick for the 4 hour as well once we flip. Yeah, so right now what I'm looking for is a closure on the 15 below 2250. But if we come up here, if we come all the way up here, tap into this level here, 2259 on this same 15, right? We tap into this 2259 level. Yeah, if we tap into that level, definitely I'll take a flip, but I'm trying to think if that's good enough, if it makes sense for a wick entry. Yeah, I'm trying to think if it makes sense for a wick entry, because we could just keep pushing up here. Right, like I said, we don't necessarily need a bottom wick on the daily or this 4 hour. Right, we could have tapped the level we wanted to tap into to grab liquidity, and we could just start pushing up here. Right, we don't necessarily need to tap into a level or to create a bottom wick rather, right? Let me see. Yeah, damn. Yeah, so just look alive, guys, look alive, because look at the way we're forming here. Look at the way we're forming. It's a very interesting. Now we've closed above here on the 5 minute. Closed above there on the 5, 15, looking how it's looking, 30 also looking at it's looking. So if this was to be a sustained move, yeah, pay attention here, guys, pay attention. You could see something here. Yeah, the only reason I am wary of taking a wick entry here is because, one, we're at all-time highs, right? And two, this is too much of bullish momentum, right? There's too much bullish momentum here for me to justify taking sales that are not all the way confirmed, right? Because yes, the wick entry here will give you the best vantage point in terms of sales, because even if this candle isn't gonna flip, if you take this wick entry and you end up rejecting off of this level, you'll most likely see this level get tapped, right? If you end up rejecting off this level, the next place you can sort of bounce off of, find support to continue to move up, would be around here, right? So in that regard, you would be able to make profits here, even if we aren't actually gonna flip and start driving down, right? But in terms of confirmation of the move, yeah, I'd say just wait. Just wait it out. Because again, we don't need a bottom wick here. We really don't. The only reason I'm saying we might get one is because, I mean, these are all-time highs, right? I mean, even then, right? Even then. Yeah, even then, because you could just form the bottom wick on the next daily candle, right? Because I'm pretty sure this weekly candle is gonna have a bottom wick here, pretty sure, but it doesn't necessarily mean this daily has to have a bottom wick. $30, $15, $5. Yeah, now the 5 is sort of holding structure here. Yeah, most likely we should see a push up to 22.58. We'll see though. We will see. And you're probably asking why, if I'm anticipating a push to 2258, why not just take the buys, right? Because I mean, it's not confirmed, right? It's not confirmed. That's just the 5-minute. But look what the 15-minute looks like. This could flip at any time. We don't. This is the next rejection area I have, but price could just reject right now, right? We could just reject right now, and then yeah, nothing is confirmed here. Nothing is confirmed. I think the move I would most like to happen would be a flip of this 15. All right, we tap, if we could tap into this 2258, flip on the 15. So tap into this, flip on the 15, close below here, but close below 2250, right? Close below 2250 here. Oh yeah, that would be beautiful. That would be beautiful for the sales going down, for sure. Yeah, there are positions to be had here. There are definitely positions to be had. It's just a matter of getting our entries. Yeah. So I mean, I'm sure someone else is probably in this trade right here somewhere. Somebody somewhere is probably in this trade just based off of their strategy and what they're looking for. But yeah, not me right now anyways. Yeah, most likely off the closer back above here. Someone probably got in this trade right here, closer above, tap back into this support to push up. Yeah. Yeah, but we didn't want to take those buys, right? Because the 4-hour was still open and we were still bearish, right? Yeah, so this could just be a top wick to start driving back down. Yeah, let's see though. So 5-minute about to close. So we're closing bullish on both 5-minute of this candle, right? So close bullish, close bullish. So let's see how this 15 is gonna close. In terms of taking the buys off the 15 closer, it's gonna be a tough one. I'm not gonna lie. It's gonna be a tough one. Yeah, it's gonna be a tough one. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, trading all-time highs is not the most straightforward thing to do. It's not the most straightforward. 30, 15. Yeah, pushing up. There's a pull. Yep, there's a pull up. I mean, I guess worst case scenario is this is the move for the day, right? But we do still have news at 9:45 and 10 o'clock, so you could still see something happen there. Okay, so we rejected. We tap into 2258. I mean, basically, right? We basically tapped into it. So we have 3 minutes left for this 15-minute candle. Let's see if we reject here. Let us see if we reject here. Cold coffee. My favorite. Disgusting. It's crazy to think that we have people in the NBA that were born after 2000, bro. That's crazy. I'm so old. I'm old. Yo, Luca with 47 points. Yeah, bro. These dudes are shit. Bro, you know, there's some ball players that they just look like they having fun. Like they like when they play, bro, it just look like they having fun. Like they playing pickup. They make that shit look like pickup, bro. Crazy. Yeah, Luca is one of them. Luca is one of them. Effort, bro. Look at this dude, bro. Oh my days. Crazy. Leverkusen. CP3, the point guard. Okay. Okay, this 15 is about to close here. Okay, so let's see. Okay. I would be there, and then okay, so we didn't quite tap. Okay, so if we can come down here, doesn't really matter how we open. Well, I mean, I would have preferred to open just straight bearish, but it is what it is. If we can come down here, create a bottom wick for this 15 and flip, I'll be in. I'll take the bias going up. So we just need to tap into this 15, which would be creating a bottom wick for the 30-minute candle. So if we flip all the way on this 30 and then we still manage to come up here, right, on the break of these 15-minute highs, I'll be in there. I'll get in some buys. We do have a little bit of a range going up to this 2258 level, like exact, right? At that level, I'll probably close most of the position. I'll probably close most of the position, because we could keep on driving up here, but yeah, we could keep on driving up, but yeah, but with the way the 4 hours, I mean, then that would be a bottom wick for the 4 hour as well. Yeah, let's see what happens though. Let's see. It looks like when we created a bottom wick on the 15, now we're coming up, so we could just tap that level, right? We could just tap this 2258. So if we tap 2258 here and reject, yeah, if we tap 2258 here and reject, we're about to take these highs out. Yeah, so once we tap into this level, we should see some type of rejection or some type of reaction anyways. Whether we're gonna see a big pull to the top side or we're gonna see a rejection going down. Or maybe not a big pull to the top side, but we should start seeing some speed. We should start seeing some speed once we tap into 2258, right? What I'm looking for is a tap into this 2258 and then a flip, right? Flip of this 15 towards these lows, right? Toward the lows of the previous 15, which would be the flip of the 30-minute. Whether I'm gonna take entries off the flip of the 30-minute or I'm gonna wait for the 30-minute to close, it depends on when this move happens. If it happens right now while this 5-minute is still open, I'll probably take the flip, right? I'll probably take the flip. But if it's after that, I'll probably just wait for the 30-minute to close. But let's see. So we're coming up here. Let me see what GJ is doing real quick. Hourly on GJ. Yeah, nah. Not doing much on GJ. Not yet. Okay, so there's your push. Okay. There's your push. There's your push. 10. Okay, so we didn't quite tap into the level, right? We didn't quite tap into the level, but we are rejecting here though. I still got this. So 5-minute close. We're still playing around these areas, huh? Yeah, we're approaching the 30-minute close here. Let's see. Let's see. Do we flip here? Do we flip here? Yeah, the 4-hour close on GJ wasn't the best. I will admit, it wasn't the best. Yeah. If we could come up and tap 191.1 on GJ and then closure below 190.85 or 190.75, I would like that very much. I wouldn't mind that. Okay, so Goldilocks. Okay, now we're tapping into. Ooh. So now we've tapped into the level, All right, we've tapped into 2258 here. Let's see what we do now. Are we gonna reject or are we gonna push? Let us see. Yeah, we're struggling. We're struggling around the area. Let's see if we hold or not. This is about a minute left for the 5 closure. Let's see if we hold or we reject. Okay, we're struggling a bit, but we're not rejecting, but we are struggling. We are struggling. It looks like this 5 minute is still gonna close bullish though. Okay, so 5 minute just closed. We closed bullish, right? Okay. Cool. First thing we do is make a top wick on the 5. Are we gonna see a reaction once we break those highs? Find out next time on Dragon Ball Z. I got 2 minutes left for this 30 closer. Let's see what I'm going. Let's see what going. We're rejecting here though. We are rejecting here. Oh, my fault, brother. Yeah, man. Nah, I did. As long as there's volume, I'ma trade, bro. As long as there's volume, I'ma trade. So we are seeing this rejection of 2258. Like I said, right? The best place to be here would have been to take the sells at the 2258, but you want confirmations of a sell. You really want confirmations of a sell, because this bottom wick is not guaranteed, right? With the bullish momentum, I understand the last 2 4-hour candles closed bearish, right? But with the bullish momentum of the higher time frames, the daily, the weekly, right, you really don't need a bottom wick, right? You could just keep driving up, but yeah, let's see. So yeah, that the wick entry here would have been nice, right? It would have been nice, and it would have played out, but we'll just chalk that one up to, you know, inexperience in terms of trading the higher the all-time highs, right? But they would have been nice here. They would have been nice here. Yeah, now you have this 15 just close, 30 close. Ah, man. Yeah, you could see this run down heavy, to be honest with you. You could see this run down heavy. Yeah, that would have been so nice, bruh. That would have been really nice. Would have been out of this trade already. This is TP's first TP right here. Damn. Yeah, that would have been the most sniper of entries ever. Right on the money, right on the level. Tap right on the level. We had this level before we even tap it. Right on the level. We turned on a dime. Damn, yeah, that would have been sick. That would have been sick. That would have been promo for days. Yeah, that would have been promo for days, man. For days. Okay, so I mean, so now we have a bottom wick, right? We have a bottom wick on the hourly, on the 4-hour. I would 15. Okay, so 5 close back below 15, 30 minute. Never. So now we create a bottom wick for the 30. Yeah, you got news though. You got news in 15 minutes. You got news in 15 minutes. Yeah, you wanna... Let's wait on news here. Let's wait on news. Yeah, I'm on Discord already, bruh. You not there. I'm already on there. I'm already on there, fam. You. Yeah, well, that would have been a sick call, huh? Yeah, I would have made like 10 different versions of that call right there. Like, I'd have 10 different videos, 10 different shorts made off of that trade. Trust me, bro. Cause look at this. It doesn't get more beautiful than this. Oh, my fault. One sec, bro.
Hello.
Yo, my fault now. Bro, I just almost had an absolute banger, fam. Oh my days. I would have made like 20 different videos of this trade, guy. Wallahi.
Cause like, so what, you just did it or you went around?
What?
Is it that you just didn't take the trade or you went around? Like, what happened?
Yeah. Like I didn't take it, like, cause because the reason I didn't take it is because I mean all-time highs, right? If we weren't at all-time highs, I would have taken it, but the fact that we're at all-time highs, I couldn't justify. Yeah, I couldn't really. I mean, I could justify the trade, right? Because I had a setup, but yeah, nah. The fact that we're this bullish on like the daily, the weekly, all of that, taking sells right now at all-time highs when I'm not too sure about the levels, yeah, I would need to confirm that we're actually taking sells before I get in. But guy, I had a level. I said if we tap into 2258, we should see a rejection to the downside. I would have already taken TPs, man. And if news is in our favor, we could just keep on melting here. But we'll see. No harm, no foul though. We still have news in a bit, so could still get some going. How far, bro?
I did, man.
Overall? Go ahead.
See, he took some looking, got some winners, so it's overall not a bad day.
Nice. Profitability. Oh my god, I know they closed the stream now. Also, keep the stream open for background. Help my retention stats.
It's only my phone that I have right. Yeah, shit. Usually, if I'm on my laptop or so, I could open both.
Oh, you know they're on laptop.
I'm on mobile.
Why you on mobile, bro? You outside?
Right now. So that's what's available right now.
Yo, you know the house?
No, I am, but I'm working on my laptop. The battery is shite right now. It's spoiled.
Guys.
Right now, I just cleaned it, so I'm waiting for some parts to dry.
Oh boy, I got a washing laptop. Mad.
Oh, yeah. Like just dab, and a specific part, because that shit was
mad.
If you see the dirt, and I was like, nah, water needs to touch this thing small.
Say now Jesus is among us, man. I wash my laptop.
Just the case. Has Rukame replied?
To what?
That boy D. Like you're sending messages on the group chat now.
Yeah, I did not him. I did reply to him, so.
Is that nonsense?
It's not ape. Yeah. Okay, so we came down here, created bottom wick for the 30. Now we're flipping up again. Okay. Got you. Yeah, let's see what news does. Oof, but that was a sniper entry if I've ever seen one. happy new month too. Happy Easter.
Yeah, please.
Yeah. You know they go. I be when I don't do the festivities for the day.
Nah, no festivities.
Huh?
No celebration.
Why you know this celebrate be pagan?
See this guy.
Pagan youth.
I'm still suspecting these people. Though. I don't know what kind of charts or what kind of situation will force that kind of event.
Which event?
On the
15.
let me not say any names in case they want to sponsor in the future.
I think concern me with that.
Okay. That if it's no concern, then the fivers, the US indices and how the thing just started acting somehow. And they didn't really give a clear explanation as to why. They just said, hey, this is happening, so don't trade. And then, oh, it's back now, it's fixed and everything. And then they just left it at that.
I mean, I guess at least they were transparent in that regard, but
again, still like, I mean, to be fair, people will see that thing.
True.
And especially given the circumstances, that more and more crops are going under, not even because of us government entities, but because of mismanagement on the process itself.
Yeah, man.
Ever since I peeped that video you sent, guy, my YouTube feed has been flooded with TFT is over, TFT is done for. And then some other prop firms that have now closed down to like SFT or some shit like that.
Yeah.
I'm like, now wow.
Skilled funded trader. We might need to start looking into trading futures.
Oh fuck no. I'd rather grow my personal account.
No.
I looked into that thing already. It doesn't make sense.
I mean,
it kind of, the cost of it is too much.
I don't. Okay, because I mean, I'll do my own research because I'm hearing the opposite.
You mean futures itself or futures props? Let me clarify on that first.
Props.
Oh, futures props. Yeah, no, it's maybe it's just the futures props that I've seen, but so far it's bloody expensive compared to the traditional challenge. Like it even makes FTMOs.
Okay, because I've heard was the opposite actually, but I'll look into it.
For one, it's like a monthly subscription, maybe others offer yearly, but it's a monthly subscription, and they're usually like anywhere from, let's say, 400 or, like what was the lowest I saw? Like 200 and something per month. The one I saw was $400 a month.
Okay. Damn, bro, this would have been a banger. Crazy. Yeah, look at that melt. Damn.
Hesitation is.
Nah, man, it wasn't even hesitation, bro. It's like there was a reason I didn't get in it.
Oh.
There was a reason. No, I'm not complaining. I'm just saying, look at the melt in it.
Oh, okay.
I ain't complaining. There gonna be moves. If we don't get a move today, I'll get a move tomorrow. If I don't get one tomorrow, I'll get one the next day.
Abi?
But we do have, if we can reach 5% today, we're gonna get the option to extend our challenge here without
Okay, yours is still under a time limit, right?
yeah. So if I can get like well, I just need 1.2% more. If I can get that within between today and tomorrow, I can extend my challenge without losing my profit. So I just extend it for 2 more weeks and I'll still maintain profit. But if I can't get to 5% by Wednesday, I'll just do.
Okay, you need 5%.
Hmm?
You need 5% to extend, right?
Yeah, to extend. But if we get to the end of the challenge, as long as I'm in profit, they'll give me a free retake. But to extend, I need 5%. Yeah, look at that drop. Okay, let's see. So we're gonna have, I mean, if this is before news, right, you would reckon news should bring some even more volume, right? Yeah, let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens. I like where we're closing below though. I like where we're closing below. Cool. Oh, that's a beautiful close. I mean, if there was no news here, I would be in right there on the flip. If there was no news right on the flip, I'd be in. But there is news, but news came out negative. Oof. So that's not what we want to see. News came out negative. That means gold should be going up, right? But we're currently going down. So the bearish momentum might just be even more than whatever the volume is or whatever the news is saying. We have news at 10 as well. Okay, let's see. See the 5-minute here. Yeah, so I mean, if we weren't in already, right? So there's no point in taking a rushed position here. If we didn't rush taking the 2258, we probably shouldn't rush now, right? So let's see. Yeah, I don't think I can take this trade off of news, because volume is technically, the news volume from news is technically in the opposite direction of where price is currently driving towards, right? Because news was negative, so you would think we're going to be driving up, but we're driving down, right? So news didn't affect GJ much though. Didn't affect GJ much. 1 hour 30. Yes, a very oof. Yeah, if you close below there on the hour, then on the 30, wow, yeah, that would be beautiful. That would be beautiful. Have this 15 level, I guess. Okay, let's see. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna have this level right here. Okay, so let's see this 5. Let's see how this 5 closes. If we can get a 5 closure below 2245 here, or 2244.5. Yeah, if we can get a 5 closure below here, get a top wick, yeah, I think we should be good to drive down, because we have volume right here. We have news at 10, but this volume should take us down before news, because then that's 4 hour breaking those lows, taking out those lows. See the 5, and okay, yeah, so get we want to get active here. Get active. Let me see. want to get active here. Let's see. Okay, let's say, yeah, so if we flip on the 4, we're pretty fucked, in it. Pretty fucked if we flip on the 4. Take out those highs, 30. 5. Yeah, so 22, 58. Hey. Okay, so you just need a top wick. All I need is a top wick. All I need is a top wick. All I need is a top wick. I mean, this needs to close with a bottom wick. I would not take this. This is gonna close. Okay, we have a bottom wick. Oh man, right at the level too. Is that a top wick? I don't know. Damn. Okay, let's see a pullback here. Let's see a little bit of a pullback. We could just keep on melting. Yeah, we could just keep on melting here. Damn.
Yeah, what are you looking at, DJ?
Nah, gold. Yeah, that's gone. Yeah, that's gone, guys. That's gone. Yeah, damn. That top wick was so minute, and it happened so quick. Damn. Yeah. I mean, you would. It makes sense. It happened quick, yeah, right? It does make sense because we have volume here, right? So that's just continuation of volume. So it makes sense that it happened quick. Damn. Yeah, as soon as if we take out those lows again, you should see a melt. You should see it melt to 22.37. Yeah, damn, that's on me. That's on me. That's on me. That's on me. Yeah, so it looks like this is about to be a 10 o'clock move. It's about to be a 10 o'clock move. Let's see. 15, I mean the hourly. Yeah, if we can manage to not drive all the way down here, if we can manage to not drive, look at the minute. Crazy. I've been a minute settling right there. 15. Yeah, if we can manage to not drive all the way down here, let me see if the hourly can close like this, something similar to this, like how we currently are, right? If that 10 o'clock, if we can get a top wick off that 10 o'clock volume and then flip, beautiful sells going down for real. But hey, even after all this, right, even if I don't get a trade here, it's a W, right? Because now I have some I've increased my skill in terms of trading all-time highs. So next time I see the opportunity for a wick entry, I'll be more willing to take that. I'll be a lot more willing to take that next time. So this just adds to experience, so to speak. Just adds to the experience. Yeah, so we came that. Oh, this is this the daily flip or no? Yeah, no. Daily still no bottom wick, so we could still head down here. Yeah, you want to get active right now. These are active times right now. we're about to have this 10 o'clock ISM manufacturing. I'm not sure how volatile that is, but we have ISM manufacturing here. Bombagla. Yeah, 5 minute. Can I take a trade right here? Or... yeah, this 5 minute is tempting though. I won't lie.
Trap.
What happened?
No, just teasing. I was saying it's a trap.
It might be, to be honest, because yeah, man, this 5 minute looks good, but we have news at 10. Damn.
Just wait after news then.
Yeah.
Wait, news is 10 your time is like in the next hour?
Yeah, like in the next 7 minutes or next 5 minutes. Because what could happen here? Right, what could happen here is this 5 closes, next 5 comes up, no bottom wick, takes out these highs, and then, you know, starts to melt, right? You always want to have the best position, right? You always want to be at the best level. I mean, the best level here would have been this initial tap, right? Because we would just have runners going right now, but okay, so it looks like we're coming up. We might take out these highs without flipping. If we do that, if we take out these highs without flipping, if you have FOMO, I'd suggest you close your eyes, because if we flip on this candle, we could just kill this whole range, right? This whole range could get killed, and that would be the move, to be honest. Like if the news doesn't bring, because I mean, news, this is the first, you know, decent move from new. Well, okay, it is a new month, right? Because last month news didn't do much, right? News brought a bit of volume, but not so much direction. But this is a new month, so, you know, maybe we could see a turnaround on news. Because I mean, the first news event of the month was, it bodes well for news releases going forward in the month here. But yeah, let's not get into anything too hastily, right? If we kept our patience for this move that actually played out, I'd hate to rush into a move and have that now, you know, not play out, right? So that's like two punches. That's a 1-2 combo for the day, and I would like to start off the month on a W, so I would like to have the best chances of doing that. What do you say?
I messed. Oh man. Okay, I didn't mess up, but price went well past my take profit.
And you didn't close?
No, I closed, but I'm just saying I could have gotten more. Is all I'm saying.
Oh, gotcha.
Nah, this is unfair.
Ain't no love in the markets. Ain't no love in the markets. Yeah, so now we've taken those highs, right? If you flip here on this 5, I understand we have 2 minutes left, but this is gold. Okay, this is gold. And when gold has volume, all it needs is 5 seconds, to be honest with you. When gold has volume, all it needs is 5 seconds. But news in 2 minutes. News in 2 minutes. Let's see. Yeah, I wish GJ was also playing out, because I really like the sells on GJ. If we closed below here, it would have been really nice, a nice position for the sells, but Yeah, it doesn't look like much going on. Yeah, let's see. Come on, Goldie. Let's get one. Let's eat one. That's a W. Let's eat one. Yeah, we about to go. I'm calling it right now. We about to go 30-0 for the month. 30 wins, 1 loss for the month. I can sense it. That's an average of more than 1 trade per day. So yeah, that's 1 point something trade per day, or trades per day. Come on, push down a little bit, just a little bit. Come on, just push down, fam. Don't close like that. Come on, go. Don't be like that. Come on, go. Don't be like that. This your oof, look at that, dog. Oh my goodness, disgusting. Okay, so was that so news came out positive, so that's good. So this is good for us. News came out positive. This is good for our direction here. Sales going down. But this hourly has no top wick. Do I really care that it doesn't have a top wick? Not too much. Not too much, because I mean, if we're going off of volume here, we're just gonna melt. If we're going off of volume, we're just gonna melt. But I'd prefer if the next 5 had a top wick though. But that's how we missed this initial move down, right? But let's see. How did the hourly close? So I'm not too much of a fan of the hourly closer though, because we did close below most recent on the hourly. But this overall, if you're considering this overall on the, that is a 15-minute level though, right? That's a 15-minute. Okay, so 30 hourly. Damn, you just closed barely, like not even. You close just barely below. I would love for this candle to make a top wick. If we could get a top wick on this 5, man, and then flip bearish again, close below. Yeah, that would be nice. That would be nice. Let me see, where's the daily flip? Daily flip right here. Okay, I'll tell you what. I mean, we're not in any, we can't get in anything quite yet, but 101, look alive. Oh, fuck, you know. Yeah, if we tap into that level, we need to close below. If we respect that level, it's a long day, because we're about to flip on the daily. Damn. If we close below, if we close above that level, it's a long day, man. If we tap into the level, close above, it's a long day. We'll pretty much need to make a top wick for the current hourly to take the sells. Okay, let's see what happens. I'm on this position size that you give me fake. Waiting this up now.
Because you know, Sabi technology,
guy, I they change the stop loss where they consider, but the what thing they call them not they change, the what thing I call them now, like the lot size that they recommend not they change, which kind of
like what happens when niggas didn't read manual? Read,
what?
nigga.
I don't understand. So what thing I not do correct now?
Did you read? We're able to just change it, like literally just go into the section and type what you want to change
That's
into.
what I'm saying, fam. I mean, that's what I'm doing. Like I typed it, like I've done all that, but it's still not a change. It's just stationary.
Okay.
Yeah, it's your own same fixture.
It's not fake. I've been using it since.
Okay, so the buy it's changing for the buys, but it's not changing for what? Yeah, this is fake, dog. Man, this guy they give me a bootleg. Okay, so I look alive here, guys. 215. Damn. Okay, so this is clean. This is clean going down. I mean, if we flip, it's fucked. If we flip, it's fucked. Okay, so yeah, once this 5 closes, this is probably gonna be a manual entry. Okay. See, so we just need a top wick. Okay, there goes our top wick. I'm not in yet. I'm gonna be in on the break of the lows.
Oh, if you're looking at gold, sell.
Yeah, I'm waiting for the break of the lows.
Like it's literally at my entry. Take profit at
Okay, so we're pushing up here.
228.4.
Yeah. So
Before
as
you said I didn't give you guys entry.
soon as we
You signal.
flip, there you go. So we
Like
flipped. Okay, we
that.
just flipped on gold there. So we're in the positions. Yeah, so with the flip on gold there, we're in the positions. I'd say break even is the flip of the daily, which is about 20 pips. You have break even on the flip of the daily, and I mean TPs here. TPs, I got TPs running down all the way down here, to be honest, because this whole range is clean, right? We got nothing going on in this range. Maybe I'll say, yeah, right here. Right here. So this move, you really want this move to play out. I mean, it really shouldn't be stalling much, right? You shouldn't be stalling on this move, because it's a volume move. It really is a volume move. You see this thing, you see this little position sizer I have here, guys, is fake. This fake news. I got recommended by a scam artist. Okay, so we're making our way down here. Let me put in my stop loss and all that. Let's see. Two, one. Okay, so I have my stops in place. Okay, let's see how this 5-minute closes. I really don't like how this 5-minute is currently forming. I am not a fan. Not a fan at all. because you wanna because fact is this 15 still does not have a top wick, right? So we could just reject all the way, but if volume holds through, if volume holds true, we should just drive down here, right? We should just drive down here and flip on the daily. Once we flip on the daily, we'll go break even, because with that flip, sort of look at this, look at all of this sort of like a stampede, like in terms of, all right, let's look at the daily real quick. Let me see what is showing on my screen right now. There you go. So if you look at the daily, if you look at this sort of like a stampede of volume, you basically have all this pressure driving price down. If you were to flip on this daily, you should see a push, a strong push. You should see a strong push. You really shouldn't stall around there if you're gonna continue this drive down after the flip. Yeah, I don't like this 5-minute close. I'm not a fan. Of course, I'll still be in there because it's still valid, right? We could just see some steeper. We could just come up here to maybe 2242, reject, and then continue going down. That's a possibility, but yeah, currently I'm not a fan of this 5-minute closer that we're about to have here. Okay, so five-minute close respecting, so that's still okay, I guess. That's still okay, I guess. But now we're opening no top wick. Okay. Yeah, I mean, there's definitely volume. At least we know there's volume. Okay. But is that even a closer above? Yeah, barely closed above on the 5. And now it looks like we're creating this bottom wick. We could just drive up here. Yeah. So for now we're still good, but we're still good for now, but let's see. How do I increase this? There you go. Yeah, you want to see this 5-minute drive. You want to see this 5-minute drive. What is this level? 2233.127. Yeah, I'm not a fan of this formation at all, guys. I won't lie. I'm not a fan. Ideally, you want this candle to close below, though. You want this candle to close bearish minimum, right? You want this candle to close bearish minimum, because then that would be 15 closing below the range. And to be honest, if we close below the range on the 15, we create a top wick. You could have opportunities to get into better positions. Yeah, you could have an opportunity to even get into a better position, have a better entry, right? But we'll see. Once we take out these lows, I'm not gonna move anything. If we take out these lows, rather, I won't move anything. I'll still wait for the 15-minute to close, and then we'll see what happens from there. Am I recording? I hope I am recording. I am not recording. Oh yeah, I am recording. Nice. Yeah, that level is holding, huh? That level is holding. It looks like the level is holding. And if that level is holding, we might just come up to stop loss in terms of grabbing liquidity. We do still have a level at 2242, right? So even if we close bullish on this 15, oh no, if we close bullish on the 15, we're out of the trade, right? But yeah, even if we don't close below this level on the 15, as long as the open is decent, I won't manage anything just yet. I won't manage anything just yet. Yeah, because the way we came crashing down, you really would have expected price to just continue the drive down. Because right now, the way things are looking, you could just come up here and create a top wick for this 15. And yeah, I'll be out of the trade anyways at that point. But let's see, we're flipping bearish here though, so that's a good sign. Let's see. Let us see. Oh man, them not in here. Oh man, shit. Be your own people, bro. Okay, so I'm not a fan of that open. I'm not a fan of the open here. So we closed respecting. Damn. Okay, you want to be careful now. You want to be very vigilant. You want to be active in managing this trade. We closed basically respecting the level on the 15, I would say. Let me see. Oh, my fault, guys. My fault. Yeah, you closed respecting this level on the 15, but you've created a top wick now, right? Yeah, now you have a top wick. Can you drive here? I would say if you're not in the trade already, I mean, if I wasn't in this trade already, I wouldn't get in right here. I really wouldn't, just because we technically respected, but volume should take us down here. So guys, once we take out these lows, I'll yeah, because once we take out those lows, the risk of flipping back up and driving up it becomes real. It becomes very real. Let me see, where are we here? Okay, so we literally just tapped into that level. Okay, now that we tap in that level again, I'm gonna go break even right here. I'm gonna go break even right there. There you go. So I'm gonna go break even there. We're seeing a push down, so haven't closed anything yet. We're about to flip on the daily. Actually, we're about to flip on the daily. Or did we already flip? Let me see. No, we didn't quite flip. So nothing closed yet. I have my stops at break even. Yeah, I don't want to close just for the sake of saying I have a W. Let's see. Okay, so we're pushing down. If we break those lows again, we should see a push. Let's see What's about to close? So 5 minute about to close. Yeah, because this is a clean range down. Yeah. Okay, so I think we just flipped. I think we just we just retested those lows. That's the daily flip. That's the right. Yeah, that's the daily flip. Well, at least on TradingView. On my broker, it looks like we flipped a while back, but okay, so yeah, I say if you're not break even yet, you need to go break even right now. I would suggest you go break even. I would suggest you go break even. Cool. Yeah, so that's officially your daily flip. That's officially your daily flip. You should see a push down. You should see a push down here. Okay. So what I'm gonna do here, I haven't moved anything. I still have full positions in here. I haven't closed anything. I have yet to close anything. Okay. So the level I'm currently looking at to take my first TP, just because this level is really clean. Like I have a really clean range going down, right? And with the daily flip, yeah, with the daily flip and how clean this range is, yeah, I'm looking at 22.29. That's what I'm looking at right now. That's what I'm looking at right now. But I will manage this on the minute. 22.29. Yeah, 22.29 is what I'm looking at right now. But I think I'll manage this on the minute. If we get a single bullish closure on the minute, I'll close majority of the position. If we get a single minute closure without tapping into 22.29, I'll close majority of the position. Actually, let me see. So this minute, did we close on the 5 or something? So we haven't closed on the, okay, I don't like the 5 close. You know what, guys? Actually, no. I'll wait. Might as well wait. Oh man, we just coming back up, huh? Damn. Okay, let's see. It's a minute by the close and about 11 seconds here. Let's see how this minute. Okay, so minute. I'm gonna close majority of the position right there. Yeah, I'm gonna close majority of the position right there. Because you have, I mean, the 5 minute is still open. Yeah, I guess you could have waited for the 5 to flip. Meh. Yeah, no, I think yeah, not the best. I don't think that was the best management in terms of when we closed break even. Yeah, or no, when we close first TP. But it is what it is, right? I have full TPs down here at well, I got full TPs all the way down there actually, right? So we'll see if we can continue dropping here. But yeah, GG's for now though. GG's for now. Yeah, I'm just gonna I'm gonna look away from gold right now because I think you might still get opportunities for more buys or for more sells here off this 30-minute close. Once this 30-minute closes, you could have more opportunities for buys, but we'll see. We'll see if we actually get into that, but for now we got runners. For now we got runners. GG's, guys. GG's. Yeah, this 5 could just flip and we continue to push down. Yeah. Because this isn't really I mean, yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, GG's. If you kept your full position open, hey, I rate it. I really do rate it. I rate it. Yeah, you had this minute. Yeah, I should have been looking at the minute time frame, because as soon as we closed like this, opened like this, I would have closed for a bit more profit, but it is what it is. We had a little bit, like a little 20 pips or so, little 20 pips on that one. Oh, actually no, let me confirm that's 20 pips. Let me actually confirm that's 20 pips. So doom. Six. So we got, that's 27 pips. Yeah, 27 pips. 27 pips on gold. Good way to start the week. Good way to start the, what is it, the month? Yeah, actually from this week I'm gonna start risking full positions on gold. So far I've been risking half positions on gold, but starting this week I'm gonna start risking full positions. But yeah, that's GG, guys. That's GG. So let me just update the stream here and I'm gonna head out. Just update the stream here and I'm gonna head out. Okay, so 1 dub for the month. Good way to start the month on that one. Trades taken. All right, we got the gold sales. Gold sales 20 pips, well 28 pips. All right, 28 pips. Possibility of runners. We don't know quite yet. I'm approaching what's it called? I'm approaching, oh no, don't stop recording. Yeah, I'm approaching break even very soon. Yeah, I still got the runners going. Most likely we're gonna get out here break even though, or on the runners anyway. So we're chilling. Let me see. Is that the 30 close? Nope, not yet. So current profit, we currently sitting at 250 something. We're currently sitting at, let's see, round of drum roll. We're currently sitting at 250. Why is this taking so much time? Imagine I just see, oh, our services are suspended. Undefined. You're lying. What does that mean? You're lying. Oh, yo. What? Hey, hello. I'm finna have a. Okay, nah, let me chill out. Let me chill out first. Okay. Okay, there you go. What is going on? Hello. Okay, so for some reason my dashboard isn't updating. Huh. This is interesting. This hasn't happened before. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna try and I can't even log out because undefined. Is this another prop firm failure live on stream? I actually still have, I mean, because my trade is still going on. Right, hold up. My trade is still going on the MT4. My trade is still going. Right, so I mean, I was about to say maybe that's why, but that's never happened before. Okay. Yeah, there's no news in terms of this could be nothing, right? This could be nothing, but you know, with recent news and with what's been happening recently. Okay, so I'm just gonna log out and log back in. Just gonna log out here and log back in. One sec, guys. One sec. Okay, so what's going on? Man, still still the same issue. Huh. Or is it because maybe it's because the position is still, I mean, is it still open or no? Let me see. Yeah, the position is closed, right? So if you look at my terminal here, right? Look at the balance, 6256 now. That's my current balance. Let me see. Yeah, so if you look here, it's 6256, right? 6256 currently. But on my funded it's 26231. What is going on? Yeah, I've never had this much of a delay in terms of update, in terms of my and that's the 30-minute close too, right? So potentially you could have sales here once we flip, take out these lows. Once we take out these lows, you could have continued move to the downside. To be honest, I am interested in taking those sells, but I mean, ooh, GJ as well had to sell, huh? Yeah, how did we close on GJ? What was the 30 close? Okay, that was a 30 close. Yeah, so this is the level we wanted to close below on GJ as well, but I like the top wick. I would like a steeper top wick though. Or would I? Yeah, I would like a steeper top wick. But it looks like we might just come down and drive there. Same thing on gold. Yeah, I don't know what's going on right now. I'm not sure what's going on right now. Let me see. Let me check the Discord and see what's going on. If people are saying something on the Discord. Let me see. General. Okay, so yeah, so yeah, so there are complaints right now on the FundedNext, but so the word I'm getting from the Discord right now is there's a server. Yeah, the word I'm getting right now is there is a server issue or a dashboard issue. So not a server issue, but a dashboard issue, which I guess makes sense because I can still place trades here. I can still place trades, but my dashboard just isn't updating or loading at this point. Yeah, so still hasn't updated, right? It's loading now, but still hasn't updated. Yeah, that's a little worrying. I mean, the only reason I'm worried, right, is just because of, you know, recent news, right? Recent news has not been favorable for prop firms lately. So okay, so I mean, yeah, you have moves happening without me here because I'm really focused on this. I don't know what's going on right now. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna call it a stream though. I'll call it a stream. Yeah, I'm a little, my attention is a little all over the place, so I don't want to take a trade right now, to be honest. Oh, but this looks so good, bro. This right here. Yeah, you got the 5 closing here, maybe. You got to retest, drive down. Yeah, that looks hella good. Yeah, so I'm gonna leave it at that for today. All right, I'm gonna leave it at that for today. Yeah, I'll keep y'all updated on the next one. I'll let y'all know by the next one. We'll see whether our prop firm is gonna be the next in a long line of dropouts. Yeah, but that's it for today. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. A little spastic end to the stream here, but bear with me. Damn, we really dropping, huh? Yeah. Yeah, so a little spastic end to the stream here, but yeah, I'll let y'all know if I mean by next stream you'll see, right? You'll see whether, you know, FundedNext gets his shit together. Yeah, the dashboard is not updating at all. It's not updating at all, so we'll see. We'll see. I don't want to put anything on their name right now because the word I'm getting from the Discord is there's currently a problem with the dashboard, not the servers, right? So yeah, let's see what happens though. Let's see what happens with that. But for now, I'm a bow out. If I was focused on the chart here, I probably would have taken the sales here as on the flip of this candle. But yeah, you could get more sales. Maybe on the 15-minute close, you could get more sales going down. GJ for sure on the 15-minute close. I'd be looking for some more sales. Probably a 15-minute close below this level here. Yeah, I'd be looking for some more sales. But yeah, that's gonna be it for me today though. That's gonna be it for me today. I'll see y'all. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Yeah. Appreciate your time. Peace.